Hello watcher and subscriber. Now we will see how you can add theme or you can say logo or particular image at the upside of your Google form. So let's get started. So in the upside there is an option here, customize theme. You just select this option and here theme colors are there. You can select that the color of the theme will be changed. If you want to add image at the upside at the header section, this option is best. And here already ready-made themes are there is no need to waste your time. If you want any background upside, you can select it. Lots of themes are there. So what happened here, I'm also telling about the other option. Suppose upload is there, then you have to select the browse option and select any image from your device. And once you select the image, you have to crop also. You can crop this after selection. So right now I don't have the made images, but here I told you have to select upload and browse option and just select the image and then crop that. In the photo option, if you are using a smartphone, then you have to take out the image. So here in the photo sections I have some images in my laptop, so you can select that. I just if I have the image, I just select this. Suppose I'm having this image in the photo section. So what happen, after taking the image, you can just crop this and then click on the done option. So you observe friend, here my image has come up and it's looking very nice also. So now again, if you want to modify that, you just click on here. Here suppose I want to change this, you cross it that, and again you can select the choose image section. And as now you understood this photo part, if you are taking the save images from your mobile, then you can select this option. Upload option is the best. In the theme option, many options are there, parties, birthdays, many things. So you have to just select and click on insert option. As these images are already cropped and the made images, you don't have any headache, it will be directly added. So this is the way, because if you are generating the form, it is good at the obsession logo is there, particular theme is there, so your form will look attractive and nice. So this is the best way and easiest way to design your form and to set the theme for your form. And along with that, I am going into the second part. If you are taking the online exam of the student, and suppose you are taking exam from 11 to 12 o'clock, and after 12 o'clock you don't want any response from the student, okay, then what you will do, you have to select the response option, and in the response option there is here accepting response is there. So you have to make it off. By default it is on. So you see now not accepting response, so no one can give the exam after the time. Now you can make it off. So this is the best way of doing this. You don't need to install any application. And if you suppose want to set manual time or particular time, then in such a case you have to click on this three dot, add-on option is there, and under this option you will be getting lots of applications. So select that form limiter option and just click on install, click on continue. And under this section they will be asking some permissions that you have to apply that. Choose the account, allow option, Finally it is done. Then here form limiter will pop up, and here you have to set the time manually. Here you select date and time option. Here particular, suppose you today's date, that you can select that here, and suppose here in the select time, suppose your timing of the exam is 1 to 2 p.m. So at 2 p.m. your exam should be over. So you select the deadline means 2 p.m. You see here PM section is there. You have to be clear about that, whether it is AM or PM. Suppose at 2 o'clock I want to wind up the exam. So you will select 2 p.m. and then simply click on the set option. Save and enable is your last option. So once you do that, it means the deadline will be set for your exam, and once this time will be over, no one can reply. And as I told you, you can also go through the other option. Suppose you are opening the form, you can go to the response option. That I think this is the easiest option for the beginner. You have to just opt that response so that no one will give reply. So in this video I told you about how to set the theme, how you can opt the response, how you can set the particular deadline for your exam. So many things you learn in this video, and I hope this video is useful for you. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.